this is my review of this, an Anker, 10,000 battery bank thing. They also do one that's 20,000, I think this is like 20,000 something, so twice as much, but this one weighs about 260 grams, and the other one weighs about 567-ish grams, so it's twice as much weight. Obviously, if you're going to be backpacking with it, you might want this one. Now, I actually bought two of these, so I've been sort of testing it out as much as I can in England. So I'm filming this in July. Each one has probably had about three or 4 days of good quality summer sun. So this one arrived with 2 bars, and I've left it in the sun, and in about 3 weeks, it's taken about 3 weeks to actually fully charge it. So it does take a very long time. I think if you're in the summer, if it's like height of summer, for example, in the UK, and there's lots of sun, strong sun, then you might, and you leave it out, and it's outdoors sun, not left through a window, then yeah, you could be looking at maybe taking a week to charge up, because obviously there's been a lot of overcast days and just miserable heavy rain and stuff. So overall, do I recommend it? Probably yes. I haven't really used it out in the field, for example, but I think it would be quite useful. It's kind of like the size of a mobile phone, a very large mobile phone. It's about twice the thickness of a Samsung S7 that I'm filming this on, with a case on. This is another one I bought. The power on this has been drained fully, so what I'm going to do is see if I can get any extra power just by using the solar panels just within the window here. And the blue light here, I don't know if you can see that, is actually blue, meaning the solar power, it's charging through the solar panel. So what I'm going to do is try with the other one and see if it does the same thing. So yeah, the blue light on the other one I've got, which has got 2 bars at the moment, the blue light is on it. I don't know if you can see that or not, because I can't really see the screen. So yeah, the solar panel is working, it's charging, but how long it takes, I guess I'll find out. So I've just noticed with this one, it's not charging. I've got this one out the window, that's charging. Now if I put this one here, you see it's charged, the blue light's on, and it's flashing there, that means the solar's working, but this one, it's not. Now if I put this outside, dangle it outside, it's not even charging actually. So this one doesn't seem to be charging anymore. So yeah, I don't think they're really designed equally. See, this one's charging fine. See, it's flashing when it's charging, so that means it's charging okay. It's a little bleeping. Yeah. So yeah, not designed, not created equally. So here we have the second one I bought. This is the one that's fully charged. With this one, what I did was use the torch feature to fully discharge it. I left that on, and then when that discharged, this blue light was flashing to show that it had a low battery. After about a day of just leaving this behind a window, that was solid blue. So yeah, I guess it does, you know, I think with this, you know, fully charge it up before you go anywhere, and you know, leave this behind a window and it will probably just keep it topped up. What I like about it as well, it's a simple operation. It's just one button, which could be a bad thing. Obviously one button does everything, the button wears out, whatever. But so one press, you can check to see how much charge you've got. If you hold the button down, you get the torch, which is quite bright. Tap it again, you get SOS. Tap it again, it just goes back to there. I think there's like 2 or 3 brightness settings. So if you hold it down, the light goes off. Hold it down, light is on. Tap it, SOS. Oh no, that's brighter, SOS, and then back to standard brightness, brighter, SOS. So 3 clicks, nice and simple. It's got rubberized feet on the end there. It's got this drawstring thing here, which just attaches to that. Easy to attach. I recommend this. I mean, it's only 20 quid, so it's probably worth chucking in the backpack or whatever. I wouldn't say it's very portable. It's quite big and bulky, so it's not very svelte. You might want something else for that, but certainly, you know, if you got a bag with you, then it's worth getting for that.